Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Today I'd just like to show you a new safety gadget I picked up. This is a portable gas detector, kind of a sniffer device. I was getting some stuff on Amazon and I just threw it into the cart. I think it's about 20 bucks, so I thought I'd give it a try. Normally I use the old leak detector, soapy stuff, look for bubbles. Also have in the past built myself a do-it-yourself manometer. And then a little while ago, a friend of mine bought me this digital manometer, and it works good too. So you use that, you'd pressurize your RV system, and then you would turn off the gas and see if the pressure dropped or not. And then you know you'd have a leak somewhere, and you could trace it with bubbles. But I thought this was kind of neat. Let's give it a test with this barbecue. I took out the burner, and then I can have gas coming out of the little port here, and we can see if the thing can actually detect the gas coming out. Okay, so the instructions say to hold this for about 10 seconds. These lights will flash and it'll beep when it's ready to do its sniffing. There we go, so we got a solid green. Hold the button down. So let's turn on the gas, see if it can sense it. Yeah, it sensed it right away. So that was coming out pretty quick. I'm going to see if I can slow it right down. We'll see if it can sense a very small stream. Okay, so we're just bubble testing this. Got it on a really low stream, and you can see it's just creating bubbles. There we go. So that would be quite a small gas leak, showing the bubbles there. So we'll give it a try. Let's clean that off. See if it can sense this very weak stream of gas. Yeah, no problem. Okay, we'll try even a weaker stream. I have this set so it's just barely bubbling. Kind of like a really weak leak. You probably might not even smell it. Yeah, still got it. Supposedly if it's really weak, it'll just go to a yellow caution light. So I'll try to activate that. Not getting it so close. Yeah, you can see it go yellow there for a second. So it's pretty sensitive because I'm outside too, so there's a little bit of a breeze in the air. Not really collecting. Well, it's supposed to work on butane gas too, so let's just give that a test while we're at it. A little torch here I can turn on the gas. Yep. So, seems to do the job. Of course, made in China, who knows, some of them might come not working. I wouldn't bet my life on the thing, but I think it's a good addition to the other things like the manometer. I can check and see if there's a leak in the rig. I'll link to the posts I did on the manometer, how I hook it up and see if I got any little bit of leak in any of the propane system. And of course, tried and true bubble test, but just another tool add to the toolbox. If anybody out there has a brand, one that's maybe a little better but not too expensive, feel free to leave it in the comments below, because I think it's a handy thing to have on board the RV, especially so much propane systems in there, and as the RVs get older, you're going to end up having more problems. And when I do a job like swap out a water heater or work on the fridge or something, I'm always disconnecting gas lines, so it's good when I put it back together that I can leak check the connections afterwards. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Happy trails, everyone. Cheers.